everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a pumpkin using your napkins. And it's going to be super simple. All you're going to need is going to be your napkin and also a rubber band. If you want to give it a little bit more pizzazz, then you can go ahead and also get a natural stem and we can use the stem in the middle. If not, we're going to show you two different ways, all simple, how you can do this with the rubber band and the stem, or just using the rubber band and using then the actual stem is gonna be your napkin. On top of that, we have a nice surprise, a nice treat, because it's gonna be soon trick or treat. So then inside of your pumpkins, you're gonna have a nice surprise for the kids. So when they open the pumpkin, there's a surprise in there. So come along and I'm gonna show you then what we're gonna put inside of our pumpkin. So this is our pumpkin with the stem, and then we have the pumpkin using the napkin as the stem. So let's go with the most simple one, which is gonna be the napkin with the stem. Put your napkin upside down. So what is supposed to be not showing is gonna be inside. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it's not supposed to be showing. It's gonna be looking up. I'm gonna take the rubber band, put it in the middle, then pinch it from the middle, because that's gonna be your stem. Okay? So just have like a finger, a thumb finger, like 2 inches high, like a stem. And now you're gonna take the corners and start putting it inside of the rubber band. Inside of the rubber band. There's not gonna be no science for this. You're gonna give it the shape that you want. Like a pumpkin, I would suggest to start with the long stems first, and then you can do the little ones that you have left. Just keep on going until you get that shape that you are looking for. Now in here, that I'm about to close it, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of candy. So somebody's gonna get a nice surprise over there. And this is it. So now we have one of our pumpkins done, and this is how it looks. I love it, and the people are not gonna know that you have some candy in there, but you know that there's candy in there, and you can make it even more of a game. So you can put like there's gonna be a surprise, there's gonna be a special message. You can put special messages in here for your guests, however you want to make it. And then this is gonna be one of our pumpkins. Super cute. I love how it looks. And so now we're gonna go into the one that we're using the little branch for the stem. Okay? And what I did is I just took one branch and I just cut it in multiple tiny pieces. So again, you take your napkin upside down. So now we're gonna have what is supposed to be inside looking up again. And so what you're gonna do is your rubber band in the middle again, and you're gonna pinch it just a little. Remember that before we pinched it like 2 inches high, and here it's just gonna be like 1 inch, very tiny, okay? And you're gonna do the same procedure again, putting it all inside. All inside. And right now I can go ahead and put some of the candy. So somebody's gonna get the nerds. And I put all of it inside again. And if you want to make it small, then you just go ahead and put more of the napkin inside of the hole in the center. Keep on going until you give it the shape that you're desiring, that you want. And now that we have the shape of our pumpkin, we're gonna go ahead and put the little stem, and it looks so beautiful. And you can play with it, add little surprise games in there. You can put a little toy if you would like, whatever makes you happy. And so these are our pumpkins, super cute. And if you want to make them even smaller, like you can see this one is a little bit more smaller than that one, just tuck it in even further and that will make the size smaller. You can make it a little bit bigger if you would like, if you're leaving it to be more expanded because you're filling it up with more candy. So just play with it. But it's a beautiful addition to have in your table during this season. You have your special pumpkins decorating your plates. And we are all done. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the little pumpkins that we just made. I know that all your family and friends are gonna love this wonderful idea. And if you enjoyed the video and the content, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button here. Love you guys. Love you all so much. May you have a wonderful day and enjoy the miracles. Bye. Until next Tuesday.